Hello friends, good morning. Today is third day and I'll be heading for breakfast now. So yesterday the breakfast was really good. Let's see what we have for today's breakfast. Alright friends, so for breakfast we have idli, sambar, then we have pongal today, looks good, and dal vada. So this is a little different from medu vada, but it's good, it's crispy. We had white chutney, it's over now I think, and red chutney. This side, there we have chocolate milkshake, mixed fruit juice, chola, and bhatura being fried there. Alright friends, so now that breakfast is done, we would be heading towards Avalanche Lake today. So today's plan is we will be doing Avalanche Lake and Emerald Lake, and if we have time then we will be doing the Ooty Boat House and Todabetta Peak and Botanical Garden, because tomorrow we are leaving, so today is the only time that we have. The time right now it's around 10:31 and let's head off. Alright friends, so we are directly heading towards Avalanche Lake. There's a lot of traffic because this weekend being a long weekend, a lot of people have travelled to Ooty. I have seen a lot of cars from Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, also Pune. So a lot of people have travelled. Alright friends, so the traffic jam has cleared up and now it's 17 kilometers, 39 minutes to Avalanche Lake. The roads, there are a lot of bends here and you can't see exactly what is coming from or coming towards you. So yeah, it's better to drive slow. The view here is so scenic, so beautiful. It's like as if I'm watching a movie or something like that. So Avalanche is around 13 kilometers from here, and there's another lake called Emerald Lake. So mostly I want to cover both today. Let's see whether time permits or not, because we'll have to go to Dodabetta. So Avalanche is on one side of Ooty and Dodabetta is on the other side of Ooty. So if you're traveling, so you need to plan in such a way that you are covering Avalanche on one day, Paikara on one day, and Dodabetta Botanical Garden on another. We did not have time, so we'll have to cover all in one day, but it will take time. So Dodabetta to Avalanche is around 30 kilometers. So we were coming from that side and suddenly we saw this view. We stopped here for some time just to enjoy the view. Just look at this, so amazing. The view of the valley from here, so amazing. Some houses are there, here. And those are the mountain. It's awesome. Okay friends, so we have reached Avalanche Lake, and this is a ticket counter, and in the hotel they said us that we need some permission from DFO. I'm not sure whether this is that place from where we need to take permission or not. Let's see. Alright friends, so we have got the ticket. For one person it was 20 rupees, so for two adults 40. For child below 5 you don't need any ticket. For vehicle it is 50 rupees and for camera it is 50 rupees. So we had one camera, one vehicle and two adults, so total 140. For Emerald Lake we don't need any ticket, you can just directly go to with your vehicle, but for Avalanche Lake you need a ticket. Alright, so we are still going on for Avalanche Lake. It's very long from the check post. Not sure exactly how many kilometers, but it is approximately, I don't know, 5 kilometers from the check post to the Avalanche Lake. The roads are very narrow and it's a completely forest area. I mean, there are chances of accident if people are coming from the other side, so request to drive a little slow here. Alright friends, so we have parked our vehicle there and now we would be heading. So the entrance is that side to the lake. So there's some safari also, bus and jeep. So that is where the tickets are available. So let me go and let me check. Okay, so jeep safari right here, the tickets. So that is where the lake is, and through this pine forest we need to go there. So ideally this is where the lake is supposed to be, but due to the summers the lake has dried up completely. During rainy season again it will be fully covered with water. This would be a wonderful picnic spot if you're coming with your family. I mean, just look at the view, the mountains, the valley, the water. I mean, excellent. So if you're traveling after August, then I would suggest you to visit Avalanche Lake. It will be full of water again, and this is how the lake is coming from there. This completely going on like this. The entire, it will be full of water after monsoon. Alright, so just opposite to the pine forest there's a canteen. So we are going there now. Maybe some tea or coffee we will have, and then we will head towards Emerald Lake. Alright friends, so they were telling us that there is not much water in Emerald Lake also. So let's see, we will go there once, and after seeing the condition then only we will decide whether to get down or not. So friends, that is the Emerald Dam. So that way you can go to Emerald Dam, but it is saying TNEB prohibited area. So I don't think it is open for public. And this way it's Emerald Lake. So this is the way to Emerald Lake. Emerald Lake is around 1.7 kilometers from here.
Start recording emergency video.
Alright friends, so this is Emerald Lake. Right now there is very less water because it is summer. The water has dried up, but during rainy season, that is after April, they said that this will be fully covered with water. So the entire area will be covered with water. But this is how the lake looks like as of now. The view is really awesome. I mean, just look at this. From there we came. This is the lake. Alright friends, so we are now heading towards our hotel Darshan. So mostly our next spot would be Dodabetta. So this is market area in Ooty. I think just parallel to this road it's commercial road. So in the evening you can come park your car and then walk. So there are a lot of shops, chocolate shops, clothes, etc, etc. So definitely you can come and roam around here in the evening once you're done with all the visiting points. So this is Anglo-Indian Higher Secondary School. It has this beautiful British architecture, red color. Looks awesome. I mean, there are so many buildings in Ooty from the British time zone. So there's a little change in the plan. We are heading towards Shinkaus for lunch. Alright friends, so we are heading towards Shinkaus for lunch. There was a lot of traffic here, and as a result of that we thought of stopping for Shinkaus instead of going to Dodabetta. Alright friends, so this is the menu for Shinkaus. And finally the food is arrived. This is veg noodles, this is egg fried rice, and this is veg semi-gravy Manchurian. The food looks good like 2015. Let's eat and let's see how good it is. Alright friends, so our lunch is over at Shinkaus, and now we are planning to head towards Dodabetta. There's a lot of traffic here actually, and that is the biggest issue. It has rained also some time back. So that is tea estate in front of us, tea factory or something like that. Garden fresh tea in 100 meters. So there's a chocolate and tea factory also on the way to Dodabetta. I remember in 2015 when we came, we had stopped here at High Heel Tea. Homemade. I had purchased some homemade chocolates from here also. It was good actually. So maybe while returning, I'll stop here. All right, friends. So we need to take a right from this junction, and Dodabetta Peak is around 2 point some kilometers from here. So straight if you. All right, friends. So after very difficulty, we have got a parking place, and now we are heading towards Dodabetta. Just look at the traffic here. All the cars are waiting for their parking spots. That is the telescope house, and from here we need to purchase the ticket. Alright friends, so this is the ticket price. For adult it is 10 rupees and for video camera it is 60. And now we will be heading towards the telescope house. There are some places to eat here. That is a tea shop called Tan Tea. You can buy tea, some quick bites, tea shop here. Alright friends, so I am heading towards the telescope house. And that is how the town looks from here. Okay, so we have ordered 2 tea. 2 tea, Anna. This, Anna? There are a lot of shops around here. You can go this way also. Alright friends, so we are done with Dodabetta Peak and now we are heading towards the tea and chocolate factory. Alright friends, so before heading towards the market area, here's this Benchmark tea factory. This is the Benchmark tea factory and chocolate factory, so we'll be going there. So it is on the way from Dodabetta to market. Alright, so this is the factory, tea and chocolate Benchmark, and this is the view from here. That is the town actually. It's looking awesome, and the sun is there just behind the factory. It's setting. Let me show you. We are heading towards the tea processing unit. So the way to the tea factory. So these are all tea leaves here. So these are the processes. Number 1 plucking, the number 2 weighing, then leaf transport to the factory, then withering, rolling, CTC processing, fermentation. Okay, so after bulk packing we have sorting, then tasting, decoction, finally packaging, and then to our teacup. Some history of tea in India. And these are all the machines. We wanted to buy some chocolates, but just look at the crowd here. So hence we have decided not to stop here, and maybe we'll buy chocolate from the market area itself. Alright friends, so we are heading towards the market area now from Benchmark Tea Factory. It was a nice experience. This is the first time I came into any tea factory. Alright friends, so we have come in the market area. We have just parked our car here and now we will be heading towards that side. So there's this Modi's chocolate, so we will be going there. There are so many shops here, clothes shops, chocolate shops. This is the main market area of Ooty. tasted a few chocolates. They were awesome.
Yeah, hot chocolate.
नहीं दिया.
One watermelon ice cream in cone and one hazelnut.
So we had ordered pizza bun and hot chocolate. Both are amazing. All right, friends. So we are done for the day, and now we are heading back towards hotel. The time is around 9 p.m. and it is saying it will take around 10 to 12 minutes for us to reach hotel. I just hope that there is some food left in the buffet because I'm a bit hungry. So, all right, friends. So here we have veg manchow soup and lemon coriander soup. And we have paneer 65. I don't know whether it's looking. We have mushroom Manchurian. Finally, Hakka noodles. The noodles look good. Okay. So starter, lemon coriander soup and paneer 65. So there was jeera rice and paneer Hyderabadi. So I opted for that instead of noodles.